One of Genshin Impact's more tedious aspects is how it handles giving you new characters and weapons. While you do unlock a small handful just by playing the game, the best characters have to be rolled using the game's wish system. If you've been playing for a while and are taking your chances on a 5-star character, you may have lost track on how many times you've rolled, and how close you are to triggering the game's guaranteed 5-star draw. Fortunately enough, the game has a helpful tracker to show you exactly how many times you've tried. Here's how to track it. If you want to check how many pulls you've made within the last 6 months, you can use the History tab under the Wish menu. From the main menu, select the Wish tile, then select History at the bottom of the screen. From this menu, you can see everything you've obtained using wishes in the last 6 months, in chronological order, starting with your most recent wish. Wishes will be sorted by the type of banner you've wished on. Wish history is categorized by wish type, as seen in the drop-down menu. Wishes you've made using Acquainted Fates on regular, non-time-limited banners will show up under Permanent Wish, while wishes made using Intertwined Fates on time-limited banners show up under Character Event Wishes. The third category is used exclusively for the beginner banner that disappears after 20 wishes. If you think you're overdue for another 4 or 5-star character, simply count the number of pulls you've made since last obtaining a 4 or 5-star character. Also make sure to remember that you're making your counts under the right history menu. Each type of fate has its own guarantee counter. The entry text will be in a specific color for every drawn character or items 4 stars or higher. For most banners, you're guaranteed a 4-star character or item every 10 pulls, while the guarantee for 5-star characters is once every 90. If you haven't gotten a 5-star character or item after 89 pulls, you're guaranteed to get one on the 90th, with your chances going up significantly on the 76th pull. You should take into account that it takes around an hour or more for the history menu to update if you've recently made a few wishes. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Genshin Impact and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.